Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to start exercise 14.2, that is chapter 14, linear equation in one variable. Last time I have completed 14.1 and today I am going to start 14.2 exercise, that is word problem based on linear equation. Okay. Question number 1, it is given the difference of two numbers is 8, their ratio 9 is to 13, find the numbers. So let the two numbers be x and x plus 8. Question number 1, let the two numbers be, let two numbers be x and x plus 8. The bigger number is x plus 8. According to question, x by x plus 8 is equal to how much? 9 by 13. By cross multiplication, you will get 13x is equal to 9x plus 9 is the 72. By cross multiplication, bring all the x one side. 13x minus 9x is equal to 72. 13x minus 9x is equal to how much? 4x equal to 72. Then x equal to how much? 18 for the 72. X is equal to 18. Okay. After getting the x, then you can easily find the first number, that is x, which is equal to 18. And second number, which is equal to x plus 8. That means 18 plus 8, how much coming? 26. Okay. So these are two numbers that I got. Okay. The first number is 18 and second number is 26. The difference is 8. Let us go next number, number 2. See, question number 2 is given the sum of two numbers is 160. They are in the ratio 5 is to 11. Ratio of two numbers given. The ratio of two numbers equal to given how much? 5 is to 11. And the sum given 160. Sum of two numbers equal to how much? 160. These two are given. So let the two numbers be. Let the two numbers be 5x and 11x. So according to question, their sum means what? 5x plus 11x is equal to 160. In this way I am getting 16x is equal to 160. Therefore x is equal to how much? X is equal to 10. Okay. So what is the first number? Therefore first number 5x, that means 5 into 10, 50. And second number, that is 11x, 11 into 10, that is 110. Okay. In this I am completed number 2 also. Let us go number 3 question. See, next number it is given the sum of three consecutive odd numbers. Sum of three consecutive odd numbers. Okay. Sum of three consecutive odd numbers equal to 51. It is given in the question. So let the three numbers be x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. These three numbers I have taken. One is x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. These are three consecutive odd numbers. Now sum of these numbers according to question means x, x plus 2, x plus 4 equal to how much? 51. This is coming 3x plus 6 equal to 51. After that you subtract. See, 3x plus 6 equal to 51. 6 have taken that side. 51 minus that is 45. Therefore x equal to how much? X is equal to 15. After getting the value of x, then you can get first number is what? First number is equal to 15. Second number is equal to 15 plus 2, that is 17. Third number, that is 15 plus 4, that is 19. Okay. In this way, three odd number, that is 15, 17, 19. Next number, number 4. See, number 4 it is given the sum of three consecutive multiple of 4 is 252. Sum of 3 consecutive multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 means what? If let the first number be x, then x plus 4, then x plus 8. There are 3 consecutive multiple of 4 that we have taken let. Okay. Let x plus 4, x plus 8 be 3 numbers. Be 3 numbers which are multiple of 4. So according to question, sum of these numbers means x plus 4, x plus 8 equal to how much? 252. How much you are getting? 3x plus 12 is equal to 252. 3x equal to how much? 240. That means x is equal to 80. After getting the value of x, then you can find first number, second number, third number like this. Okay. So first number is what? Therefore first number is x. What is that? How much equal? 80, which is a multiple of 4. And second number, that is x plus 4, means 80 plus 4, how much getting? 84. It is a multiple of 4. And third number, that is x plus 8. That means 80 plus 8, how much getting? 88, which is also multiple of 4. That means the 3 numbers, required 3 numbers are 80, 84 and 88. These are all multiple of 4. Okay. Let us go next number. Number 5. See, next number is given. Find a number which is 25 more than its 2/5. Find a number which is 24 more than its 2/5. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. So according to question, I'll write that means x is equal to 25 more than 2/5. 2/5 means 2 by 5. 2/5 of number 2 by 5 of x plus 24. Yes or no? According to question, the number is equal to 2/5 of the number plus 24. Because find a number which is 24 more than its 2/5. 2/5 is 2 by 5 of the number. So in this way, x minus 2x by 5 is equal to 24. That means 5x minus 2x is equal to 24. 5x minus 2x is equal to how much coming? 3x equal to 24 into 5. You divide 3, it is coming 3 8 is 8 5 is 40. Okay, what is the required number? Therefore, required number is 40. Required number is equal to 40. In this way, the required number I am getting. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next day do more sums.